Hello guys, so today I'm back with another drone video, and this is X Nano Drone 2.0. I got this from Amazon. So now let's open it and see what we get in this drone. So here is your product, and this is a made in a China product, and the MRP for which I got is 1600 rupees from Amazon. Remember, you can get it for a low price on Chinese platforms like AliExpress, but it is banned as of now, so you can only rely on Amazon India for the products. Let's see some features of this drone. 6-axis gyro stabilizer, throw launch capability. You can place it in your palms and throw it in the air, and this will work. Radical flips and rolls, that is very common in drones nowadays. Automatic trim function, this is good. Long range 2.4 gigahertz control. In the small drone like this, they are talking about control and long range. Let's see if it happens or not. 2 modes, low, mid, high speed. Okay, that is good. Indoor and outdoor fun. Headless function. 3D flips and night flying expert. I mean, the LEDs of the drone must be good. That is one good thing about this. MRP is printed as 3900 rupees, but as I have told you, I got this for 1600 rupees, and you'll get it for a low price on the Chinese platforms. 4 channel, nothing else left. Okay, also the color part, orange, white, black and green. So you can see what we got is a green drone. Okay, so now let's open it. We'll open the tape. I'm really sorry I'm taking a bit time. Okay, so I finally managed to open the tape. Let's remove this. Let's take out our product. So here it is. First of all, you will get this user manual. You should actually read it to know all the functions. If you are a beginner, you should actually read this. It is well taped by the seller. It's really good. Okay, so now coming to this manual part. This is in English, so this is really good. You can actually understand each and every function. Spare part list. Okay, so we don't have any spare parts. The user manual is in English, no Mandarin, no Chinese written here, so that is good. You can actually read this if you are just a beginner, if you are just beginning to fly your drones. Now coming to the goodies part, what we get in this drone. First of all, we get this charger, not a USB, yes, this is a USB charger with this kind of charging port, a screwdriver, and this is the propeller remover. This comes with DJI Tello drone, but I am really amazed that we are getting it in a 1600 rupees drone. And these 4 extra propellers in case you break any one of them. If you are a beginner, you will tend to break it very easily and in few days, but if you are a trained professional, not a professional, if you are trained in flying drones, I don't think so that you can break it easily. So first, coming to the remote control RC part, remote control. So you don't get any barometer. I mean, you can't set the height for this drone. This is not an altitude hold drone. In short, altitude hold drones are which when you fly to this side, they will retain their height, and you can just leave the remote control and they will retain their height. They will not fall down or they won't go up. And the reason for them is they have a barometer set in the remote control, and all those drones with a barometric height, I mean with a fixed height, they have this button, they have this button in the center and it is not movable, it is in center and you can control like that. But in this drone it is not in the center, so that means it is not a altitude hold drone first of all. So this is a good practice drone for you if you want to master it up. And this is the speed control switch, 3 mode, 1 2 3, and this is a 3D flip. You press this button and by this you can actually flip 360-degree roll of this drone, on off switch. And these are the trim buttons. These one, if your drone is flying to this side or this side, you can easily control them from this trim button, and you can refer to the user manual to know more about this. Now first of all, let's open this remote control. Please handle it with care because this is a made in China product. 3 AAA battery is required. We'll put this. And we will screw it. Perfect. So the build quality of this propeller is really good. You can see this is how it will open. These lights will blink. So full points to the this remote control. The build quality is really good, and if by chance you drop it, there is a good chance that you won't end up breaking it because the quality is good. Now on to our drone part. Here is the drone, and we need to juggle up this wire from behind like this. And we'll take it out. So here is your drone. You can see it's so small in size. You can actually place it on your palms. You get these propeller guards with this, and this is linked with this screw, so it won't get off like in other drones. Like you place it and they just get away when you get you just shook it away, or you just collide it on the wall or any other obstacle. But in this case it won't just get off. And here are your propellers, the small propellers. You get 350 or 400 mAh LiPo battery. I don't know if it will last or not. I already have done 2 unboxing videos of mini drones and they are still intact. I'm still able to fly that, so I don't know if the battery inside it is durable or not. Here is the battery inside, and to charge it you just need to plug it in this charging port. You need to plug it in, and you need a USB adapter. You just plug it in and the red light will blink. As soon as the red light goes off, the drone is fully charged. Let me tell you, it will take around 45 minutes to 60 minutes to charge for a full time, and it will give you action of around 8 to 10 minutes. I think that it will give you action around 7 minutes because I've tested one drone of a friend and it gave me action of around 5 to 7 minutes. So here's the on off button below the charging port, and you just need to push this to the on button. The drone is not charged as yet. We will charge it and see how it goes. So hi guys, I finally charged this drone and it took me around 50 minutes to charge it fully, and it gave me action of around 7 to 8 minutes. You should not believe on the internet side. This will give you action of around 7 to 8 minutes. And one thing more, on the internet I've heard people saying that the connectivity of this drone is not really good in the outdoors. Trust me guys, there is nothing like that. This drone is perfectly alright. And for the people who are asking who should buy it, actually one thing is, if you are a beginner and if you are buying it, it will be really hard for you to fly this drone, and it may kill your hobby as well, because as I told you, this is not an altitude hold drone, so it won't retain the height, it will come down, and you need to master up this button, this up down and this left right button, in order to control this drone, and this is not really controllable. So if you are looking to learn, yes, this is a great learning curvature. This drone will offer you great learning curvature, you can actually learn from it. But don't be disheartened if you just lose it or if you just break it, because as I told you, it is not really easy to fly. But if you are an intermediate, if you know how to control it, this is just a cakewalk for you. This is not really tough. But if you are just beginning your drone, yeah, it will be really tough for you. So I've been flying drones from around 2 to 3 years, so it was not really anything surprising for me to fly this drone, because I have all the altitude hold drones, so it will retain their height. I will set this batten to this you can say this center, and it will just retain the height, but not in this case. It will actually fall down if I set this on this space. You have to control it like an accelerator. So now we will go on to the action and see how it goes. Okay guys, so now on to the action. We will turn this drone on. Also a transmitter, we will place it. Now we will start flying it, paired and ready for action. You can see it's flying pretty well. Indoors also it is getting good flight. So onto the flip button, through this thing you can actually flip it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now we will land it and I will show you one of the other features. Now this is the speed control button, but there is a compass mode which is called the headless mode. If you want to enable the headless mode, just press it, pair the drone and push this button from downwards for 3 seconds and the headless mode will be on. Now you can fly and see there is no head, the drone is rotating. So this is one other feature of this drone. This is really stable. We will just close the light and see how the LEDs goes. Now you can see the action of the drone in some darkness. I've also flight it outdoors and there is no problem, it is fighting the wind. If the wind is a lot, you can switch to speed 2 or speed 3. So hope you like my unboxing and review video. If you did like, please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming up with more unboxing videos in the future. Stay tuned till then. Bye bye for now.